We don't use any charts. I made $217 in just a few days, and I will show you how I choose my strike price. We open the application, we choose SPY as our stock. We open the option charts. I like to do weekly put credit spreads. I like to do about $70 to $100 a week, and my balance is $1,100. So I am able to sell about 11 contracts. I will choose now the 699, 698, and as you can see, if we do that, we will get credit of about $80 market price. And if the price drop and go against me, I will just roll it to another date, and that's how I am doing my bull credit spreads. No charts, no indicators, nothing at all, just how much money I want to make and how much money I can lose, and just roll it in the exact time to not lose anything. Thank you very much, and subscribe.